Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's doing well. This is the Swinging Bull, joined by Prime Patrick, Mr. SLP, and Lily Starr, trading in a hurricane, Hurricane Ian. I personally live in Tampa Bay, so we'll see what the action is going to be later today with Hurricane Ian. I might be on the streets with my cell phone and the wind blowing in my hair, trying to trade SPY. We'll see how all that ends up. How's everyone doing today?
Well, better than you, it sounds like. I'm in Florida.
Yeah.
Doing good, Bull. And if you do that, you got to go live, okay? I'm just saying.
Oh, absolutely. I will do a live video and everything from my cell phone on the streets of Tampa, for sure.
It looks like Mr. SLP's right in the eye of it.
Yeah, you see that right in the eye. That's the calm. That's the calmest part of the storm, bud. I think it's going to be fun, especially trading in a storm. It's going to be a great experience.
I mean, hasn't everything else been thrown at us this year? I mean, what's a hurricane?
Yeah, I mean, this is nothing, right? So looking at SPY here, up almost 0.5% in pre-market trading here. We did have a gap down this morning, 4 a.m. Eastern. SPY did gap down, recovered just nicely. Now we're going up again, up almost 0.5% on SPY, looking good there. I did put out an Oxy swing on oil yesterday with the December expiration date on the option contract. Looks like those are going to be very profitable. I alerted them towards the bottom of yesterday when Oxy came down to around 58 bucks. I alerted the option call swing for December expiration. Looks like it's going to be pretty profitable when the opening bell rings. So I'll be ready to let the members know to take profit when the bell rings. So really liking that Oxy swing from yesterday.
Man, you love Oxy too. You love that. You love trading that stock, man.
Hey, rinse and repeat. You know, if we catch it at certain levels and we can play it several times in a week or a month, let's do it.
Now, was it the pipeline that made you get interested in Oxy, or was it just because?
Nope, just the level it was sitting at. We're sitting right above this 200 EMA right here. After it sold off quite a bit, seems to be, you know, I know these candles are still red here, but scooped it up yesterday towards the bottom here, and looks like it's going to pay off quite nicely when the bell rings. So that's the reason why I scooped it up, was just the position of the price action compared to being right over this 200 EMA, anticipating a bounce, which of course we got today in pre-market. So great trade there. Congrats to anyone that took that with me. Looking at pre-market movers, we do have AMV, which I believe was traded yesterday on our.
That was a fun one. Yeah, hell yeah, we played that one.
AMV. I mean,
yeah.
Would you get in at 38?
Yeah, you know, Amy was trying to beat me to the punch, but I got in before the halt, so it was like in the 50s.
So, ran to 300, and after hours it was like 230%. And
it's luck, man. It's total luck. You know,
well, I mean,
I feel luck.
It can't be luck if you do it every other day.
I feel luck, but.
I mean, was that one of those stealth IPOs? Because I didn't see it anywhere. I mean, I knew about Atlas, of course, but I did not know it was going to IPO yesterday. It was just out of nowhere, it seemed.
Nor did I. I just saw it in the top movers. Yeah, we played it, and even after hours, we played it from, we said over 90 bucks to aim for 100 plus, but this thing ripped to 300 in the matter of like 20 minutes.
I mean, it was so fantastic. I mean, it was able to rinse and repeat. I mean, I totally missed it. And when you were alerting it at such a low level, and then after it hit 300, I was able to scoop more up at 200 and sell again this morning for 300 because it already hit 300 again today.
Very nice. So yeah, this AMV stock alerted in our premium section around the $50 area before it got halted, gets unhalted, booms all the way to 300 bucks. Fantastic alert that was put out there in the premium Discord. I believe lots of members capitalized on that with us.
It was wild.
Yeah, so great play there. AMV. We'll be watching that today for continuation.
I will say, Bull, it was a nice way to end the day because yesterday, you know, was a little rocky. And that was a big win for everybody. Everybody was getting crunk in the Discord.
230%.
Man, I haven't heard that word for a while.
Oh,
crunk.
I'm sorry. Did I mean
the club?
Am I supposed to say turned up now? I don't know what to say.
I had literally just did a recap, and because I had something hit 240%. I was like 240% in 2 hours. That's amazing. And then Lee was like, all right, 230% in 30 minutes. So way to show me up in a hurricane, no less.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll be watching this one for continuation today, as long as I don't get directly hit by the hurricane anytime soon. I think the projected time it's supposed to hit us over here in Tampa Bay is later on today. Might even be tonight sometime, right?
Look,
you're over there.
I mean, we're so addicted to trading. We need to have a generator just hooked up to our computer so that we can trade through every storm possible out there.
Lee, last year you had your most profitable week ever, and you were trading at the airport or at the beach in Italy or something like that. I was like, go enjoy yourself.
I was walking the streets of Rome.
That's right.
I was drinking a cappuccino, and I was eating that good breakfast.
And I was charting away and not even coming close to what you were putting up. It was very frustrating.
So you got this one shown up. So this is AMV. This is one that's holding that EMA 50, which is nice.
Yep.
There's also a few other ones that got some good volume. There's one that's BIAF. This is one that IPO'd recently. The float is 1 million on the float side. We just pushed through VWAP, and I did say once we get through $3, aim for that probably new high of day. So this one's getting some good volume here. If you stick on the VWAP, we got through it. Volume continued, and we are up.
Yeah, I really like this one, BIAF. We'll keep our eyes on this. It's up 50% in pre-market. Previous close on this was only $2, or around $2.12, sitting at $3.20 right now. So we'll keep our eyes on this one. So we got AMV.
What's the volume on that? I can't see.
The volume is 1.3 million right now. The float is only 1.27 million. So
spicy.
Yeah, very nice here. We'll keep our eyes on this. A couple other ones that popped out on me was ABOS. I'll be watching this one for continuation here. They previous close yesterday on this one was $4.44. It's sitting at $8.69 right now. Looks like it's testing VWAP right now, which is going to be this orange line, sitting right on top of it. We'll see what happens when the opening bell rings and see how the price reacts to that. The next one that popped out on me was PRTA. This is another one.
Patrick's is writing all this down. He's like, man, I can't wait to trade this. Like, keep going, guys. Keep going.
I'm actually alerting all of this right now and taking all the credit. So
pull out your notebook. We got AMV, BIAF, PRTA, which is what I'm looking at now on the screen. This one seems to be holding up as well. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Another one, just so if I can throw this in real quick before we end the stream, ABOS. Another one doing fantastic in pre-market here, holding up very nice. Not so much, we don't really see any dumping going on right now. Holding up nice above VWAP and above the 20 green EMA moving average here. So this one's up 87% in pre-market. Previous close was $4.44. Trading at $8.80 right now. So we got a handful of tickers to keep our eyes on while we're waiting on this hurricane to come hit us over here.
Now, you see those crazy people surfing in these high, the waves are super high, all this surf coming in. Now, do we try to attempt that? Do we try to surf and try to attempt to trade at the same time, surfing and trading?
I pay good money.
Right, Lee, Bull, and I mean, I'm no longer in Florida, but all three of us are Floridians, and I know all of us are not opposed to being crazy like that. That's for sure. God, there's been so many crazy hurricane parties.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just going to add to another one today and tomorrow.
So we'll see what happens. Hopefully my house doesn't get, blown over and my roof is intact come tomorrow. So we'll see. It's going to be an exciting day over here in Tampa Bay. So we'll see what happens. Definitely got some good tickers to look at, though. Just to kind of recap, we got AMV up over 200%. We got BIAF up over 47%. PRTA up over 64%. And the final one, ABOS, up over 87%. So we'll be looking for some nice momentum scalp plays on this. Prime Patrick, Mr. SLP, Lily, I really appreciate all you joining me. If you guys wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, we would really appreciate it. If you want to keep chatting with us and join our free Discord, please check out the links in the description. And I hope everyone stays safe today with the incoming hurricane. Enjoy, you guys.
All right, thanks, guys.
See ya. Bye.